Hello everyone, this is Shadi Dawi, Senior Trainer and Counselor at Idea Factory. Idea Factory, a new age knowledge startup online platform based in Dubai and located in Dubai Silicon Oasis. Idea Factory provides an online networking place for knowledge and a brand gallery for trainers, teachers, mentors, coaches, and counselors. More precisely, like a wiki-type library to provide learning and training courses. It is a new age startup initiative to attract the cognitive surplus across the globe. Anybody can create, anybody can engage, anybody can connect at Idea Factory. Expert says, the more you connect, the more you are successful. Therefore, when you invest in your relationships, whether it is a professional or personal, then you will be able to monetize and generate income. Networking benefits are many. It will improve your skill set, it will keep you updated about latest industry trends. At the same time, networking will always upgrade your knowledge, uplift your training skills, and adds a great value on your CV. When you network on Idea Factory, you will be able to meet prospective mentors, partners, clients, and gain access to necessary resources that will foster your career development. Yes, Idea Factory Pro, the network place for knowledge lovers. Networking isn't merely the exchange of information with others. Networking is about establishing and nurturing long-term, mutually beneficial relationships with the people you meet. Whether you're waiting to order your morning coffee, participating in an intramural sports league, or attending a work conference. If you have a great idea, if you are a guru in training, if your idea worth enough to empower an individual or group of people, then Idea Factory takes you to its mock platform, PI School, by bringing all new age academic compliances into that and designing a formal course out of it, which will be promoted to a larger target audience who is really in need of it. In addition to that, Idea Factory makes your idea accessible to millions of people across the globe.